Hi, and thanks for joining us today. This is Collector's Den in Lansdowne Mall in Richmond, BC, Canada. Today we're going to have a look at the newly released 2011-12 Crown Royal Hockey. Crown Royal is a very distinct set. It's been the same for quite a number of years, ever since they started it. It's got the crown top, and it's pretty well identical every year. So there's a base card of Ryan Kesler. There's Taylor Hall. Sid. And part of the set, there's some old guys. There's Wendell Clark in a Leafs uniform. Parallels, there's the ruby or red parallel, Claude Giroux. These are not numbered. Jordan Eberle and Taylor Hall. This is another parallel. This is an autograph parallel. There's John Tavares, Steven Stamkos, and Pavel Datsyuk. The rookie cards have a blue top, so the crown itself is blue. These are not numbered. That guy is Lennart Petrell. Sorry if I butchered that. Lance Boma for Calgary, rookie. These are a parallel of the rookie cards, but I don't think they'll be considered RCs. There's Matt Reed autograph. Eric Condra autograph. And Craig Smith autograph. You know, I have to check into that. These might be considered, there might be three tiers of rookies. The first ones I showed you are unautographed. These ones are autographed. And then the ultimate one is the rookie silhouette, which was a big hit last year. This one is played last year or a few years ago in Vancouver Giants. Jonathan Blum, numbered out of 99. This is a parallel of the rookie silhouette, numbered out of 25. Sean Couturier. If you look down here, you'll see the word Prime. So that's the one that's numbered out of 25. And on the regular rookie, it doesn't say Prime. Having trouble focusing here today, don't know why. Some of the nicer insert sets, this one's called Royal Lineage. These ones are not numbered, so you've got three different players for that team. So this is the Pittsburgh Penguins, and they've got Jaromir Jagr, Evgeny Malkin, and Mark Letestu. So that's three generations of good players, if you will. Actually, are those guys all the same wing or center? Could be. I'm sorry, I don't know. Here's the Minnesota North Stars. So we start off with Dennis Maruk at the bottom, then Mike Modano, and then Cal Clutterbuck, being the Minnesota Wild as compared to the Minnesota North Stars. Boston Bruins, we've got Ray Bourque at the bottom, Zdeno Chara, and Matt Bartkowski. Capitals, Dennis Maruk, Alexander Ovechkin, and Marcus Johansson. Mythology, these are all old guys. There's Curtis Joseph with the jersey, not numbered. There's Kenny Linsman, patch, numbered out of 10. The Rat. Lords of the NHL is an insert set, and a parallel of it is a jersey card. Not numbered. This is possibly my favorite piece. It's a cool piece. It's just a parallel. It's called Ice King. And there's Jeff Skinner. There's Cody Hodgson. So they're doing rookies as well as base cards. Jerry Cheevers, of course. Unmistakable with the mask. And Gabriel Landeskog. Parallel of that as the autograph version. There's Steven Stamkos. Heirs to the Throne. This is the parallel. This is the jersey, not numbered. That was Hall. There's Landeskog. So again, they're doing rookies as well as old guys. All the King's Men. These are the jersey variations. There's Jonathan Taves. There's Joe Thornton. The patch variation, numbered out of 25. And there's also an autograph version. So there's an autograph patch, Marc-Andre Fleury, numbered out of 25. It's autograph jersey, Daniel Sedin, numbered out of 100. Anze Kopitar, numbered out of 100. And James Neal, numbered out of 25. Private Signings is back, so this will be a cross-product insert, so you'll see this exact card in several different products. In my opinion, one of the nicest sets in last year's hockey was called Scratching the Surface. It was a nice rink with an autograph on it. I thought it was extremely cool last year. They sold very, very well. This year they did not make it a very thick card. I'm a little disappointed in that. I thought it was so cool last year. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Anyway, there we have 11-12 Crown Royal Hockey. Thanks for joining us. Bye-bye.